Guys, welcome to my aerial hammock tutorial. Today we're learning the skirt. It's an easy, simple move that's going to look really pretty and also show off a nice colorful hammock like this one that I'm using today. Also, if you put it in your routine, it's a great place to use a hand spin and get some more spin happening and take a little break and rest before you go back up. Start by checking that your hammock is hanging straight and not twisted around itself. This will make it a lot easier for you in a minute when you have to put both hands on one side of the hammock. Now place one foot inside the hammock, close to the edge that is farther away from you, but not all the way at the edge. I like to leave about 4 to 6 inches of fabric, or about 10 centimeters, so that I can have my foot in sort of a little pocket, so it's absolutely sure it will not slip out. Reach up and grab the hammock as high as possible with both hands, then take your free leg through the middle and wrap it around the outside of the hammock. I like to have a little coupe position here with my free foot that's touching my heel to the back of my opposite calf. That really will lock you in and make you feel very secure. Lean forward slightly and press your shoulders against the sides of the hammock, and you'll be able to take your arms off and do some pretty arm movements here. Now I'm going to reach behind me with my arms and find the edges at the back of the hammock as I bend my supporting leg, the leg that I'm standing on, to sit down right in the middle of the hammock. Open up your arms with the back edges of the hammock in your hands to spread it nice and wide and do a shape that I like to call the bat because it makes me think of bat wings. Next, use the foot that is wrapped in the little pocket of fabric we made earlier to push the hammock forward and straighten your legs as you lean back with your shoulders and place the other edge of the fabric underneath your waist. Once you're in your fully laid back position, you can unwrap that foot that's still wrapped in fabric and place it next to your other foot. Then open your legs slightly as you bring your legs up and wrap them around the outsides of the hammock and place them back in the middle. To come out of it, just open your legs back up, put them down. The momentum will bring up your upper body and your back sitting in the hammock. Here it is with a spin. Pro tip, when you're in your skirt position, try to keep your knees together as much as possible. This is going to make it look a lot prettier and make you spin a little faster. If you're having trouble keeping your knees together, try crossing one ankle over the other foot and using that to help hold those legs tight together. Thanks so much for watching. Next time I'll be doing a little expansion on this combo where we add in a beautiful split with the hammock wide open that looks really cool. Also check out my channel for more tutorials on aerial hoop and hammock, makeup tutorials, performance videos, lots and lots of stuff happening over there. So please check it out and subscribe.